I call you again. There are many now. No, there are many. Not doing it.
Peter Obi arranges private jet for stranded elderly man. Hi guys, welcome to Sylvanos HD. I am your host, Master Blessed. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and let me know what you think about Peter Obi booking a private jet for this stranded elderly man in the comment section. The Labour Party presidential candidate for the recently concluded Nigerian presidential election, Peter Obi, was spotted in the video arranging a private jet for an elderly man whose flight from Asaba to Abuja was cancelled and rescheduled for later that evening. Despite the setback, Peter Obi quickly intervened and secured the jet to transport the elderly man. While some social media users expressed surprise that Peter Obi could afford to book a private jet, others commended him for his kind gesture. However, there are still some who criticized him, with some seeing his action as purely politically motivated. Guys, let's take a look at the video. Roll it.
I call you again. There are many now. No, there are many. Not doing it. You want your there? I was saying, give me one. Give me. Bro.
Don't forget to
Guys, let's also take a look at reactions from Nigerians on this matter. Somebody said, this is lovely, but when did Obi start flying PJ? I thought it was economy used. Another person said, wickedness won't let people see good in this man. They feel it's all about political strategy. I believe quotes from day one and till the very end. God bless you, my president. Economic flyer booking a private jet for people. No be juju be that. And that person said, the way some Nigerian youth understand things is surprising, I swear. The old man missed his flight and he arranged a private jet for him. That's what he is criticized for now. Everyone typing, wasting data, chai, Nigeria, which way forward? Youth for that matter. Guys, what do you think about this whole issue? What do you think about Peter Obi booking this private jet for this man? Do you think, this is politically motivated like everybody is saying, or you think, Peter Obi just has a good heart and is just doing it out of goodwill? Come on, let's be realistic, guys. We all know how Peter Obi flies economy class everywhere he goes. He never books private jets. Even when he's going for important, political meetings, he always uses economy. And I understand why a lot of people are surprised. But guys, what do you think about this? Are you surprised, or you think, you're not surprised and you think this is politically motivated and he knows what he wants and he's trying to use this to get what he wants? But personally for me, I think, Peter Obi is a nice guy and, he's a good man. He has sympathy for people and he just did this out of love and, out of pity and goodwill for this man. But I might be wrong. You might think otherwise. Guys, let me know what you think about this in the comment section. And that's all for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to slap a like, click on the red subscribe button, subscribe to this channel, follow me on Instagram at MasterBlessed. I really appreciate that. Take care, guys. Stay safe. See you later for another interesting video, and peace out. Peter.
I call you again. There are many now. No, there are many. Not doing it. You want your there? I was saying, give me one. Give me. Bro.
Don't forget to
What up, people? What up, Africa? What up, worldwide? This is brought to you by one of the best YouTube channels, Sylvanus HD. Sylvanus HD talks about celebrities, and they are always up to date. Endeavor to subscribe to Sylvanus HD for your clarity, quality, and HD videos as